Here at North County Indian Motorcycle, we have a 2014 Electra Glide Ultra Limited in color red. This bike is fully loaded with a Screaming Eagle air cleaner, a Vance & Hines exhaust, a tour pack, luggage rack, hard lockable saddlebags, cruise control, lower fairing with highway pegs, premium audio, LED turn signals, and only 14,612 miles. Let's listen to the exhaust. It sounds great. Looks brand new, and it's available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.